Welcome to Cars and SUVs. February 2023, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety is strengthening the requirements for its Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Pick Plus awards in 2023, demanding better side crash protection and improved pedestrian crash prevention systems and eliminating subpar headlights from the field of qualifying vehicles. The Volkswagen ID.4 Electric earns a Top Safety Pick Plus award for 2023. Thanks for watching Cars and SUVs. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.